Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly, and today we're going to take a look at how can I use posts from Social Media Assistant. So right now we are inside the Social Media Assistant. We have added a topic over here, we have set our filters over here, and we have clicked on search. So now, after running our search, we are seeing relevant articles over here. We can see the title of the article over here. We see an image if it's available over here and the source of the content over here. When we find the post that we like, all we have to do is go over here to this drop down first in order to select a post group that we want to save this new post to. And then we can simply click on this button over here, add to. And we can see this success message over here. By clicking on the title of the article, this will open the source of the article for us to be able to read more or verify the content. And as I mentioned before, we can also click on the next page. So by going to post groups, we can see the social media post that we have just saved from Social Media Assistant. So it's that simple to find social media posts using the Social Media Assistant that you can use and that you can curate for your social media profiles. Until next time.